Hi guys, good afternoon. So another day, another success story, and today na-receive po natin yung work permit ni Miss Sigrid Palulay. And hi Miss Sigrid, can you share us your experience in Trinity Consultant?
Hi, good afternoon. So far, for only 2 months, na-receive ko po yung working permit. At salamat po sa bumubuo ng Trinity Consultant, especially to Miss Rachel na walang sawa pong nag-asikasa sa akin. Kung sa lahat po ng gustong mag-apply, highly recommended ko po ang Trinity Consultant. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you po.